All right, all eyes on the opening bell this morning after the worst day on North American markets this year. And that global sell-off is continuing in overseas trading. Joining us this morning is BNN Bloomberg's Paige Ellis. Good to have you back with us at your morning.
Good to see you.
What are we expecting to see in the markets?
Well, we did see a little bit of a bounce back this morning in U.S. futures, but unfortunately, it's turned to the negative side. Now we are anticipating a negative start to the trading day today, and this is entirely because of the trade situation between the U.S. and China. Today, China announcing that it was going to implement some countermeasures against the U.S.'s 10% tariffs that it is planning to implement in September and December, kind of quashing some hopes for reconciliation. Now, everyone, of course, is cued to their Twitter feed to see how U.S. President Donald Trump is going to react. And, of course, those tweets tend to be material to investors.
Incredible. Yesterday, we saw, you described it as carnage yesterday on the markets. What happened?
It was remarkable. All three major indices in the United States sold off to the tune of about 3%. Bloomberg had a great article quantifying the impact in Canada. The sell-off wiped $47 billion off the TSX in one single trading session. This all comes back to this really esoteric bond signal, and I won't bore viewers with the details of it, but what this bond signal has done in the past, it's actually preceded the last 7 recessions. That's the critical piece. So, of course, investors were spooked when they saw this signal from the bond markets. There has been a bit of a plea for cooler heads. Janet Yellen, who we know is the former chair of the Federal Reserve, said that she thinks that it may actually be a false signal.
Oh.
And there was one commentator on BNN Bloomberg today saying, this isn't the Holy Grail, guys. Calm down. The economy, the underlying economy is still quite strong in the United States.
All right, we'll keep watching, see what happens today. And, of course, you at BNN Bloomberg are following all the action.
Very
Thank
closely.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.